let's see if we can't get this chain guard and chain and all of that stuff out of the way here. Put these back in place. All right, so I'm gonna get that washer off. This pin should slide right out, and I'll put that all back together. Yeah, see, I almost lost the pin already. So, oh, get on there. All right. I don't know. Actually, I don't think that needs to come off, does it? Well, it'll be easy enough to get off, so I'm gonna have to get down here and get our, we got a cotter pin here. All right. Yeah, I'm not into that. I'm gonna go ahead and use two hands on that project. Oh, I can't get it to, not even with two hands. Well, it's kind of better, not a lot. It's still going to be a real bugger to get that to pound out of there. I need to go find myself a hammer. I'll be right back. Let's see if we can't try to pound this cotter pin out. All right. Slowly. Gosh, pretty stubborn. All right. No, that should just, all right, what am I missing? Yeah, that doesn't at all want to come out. Well, let's see if turning this hand wheel, backing that off, see if maybe that helps take a lot of spring pressure off of it. Oh, okay. All right. So, okay, it's got to come all the way off, I see. All right. So, I guess I've kind of struggled to see the purpose of this being built the way it is. Not sure. Okay, well, I will have to turn this all the way off as well. Oh, it's way faster to turn it from this end. Well, yeah, it's getting a little difficult to turn now. Oh boy, my arm's getting tired. Boy, I'm gonna have to give my arm a break here for a second. Yeah, and we've got a bunch of, no, wrong size. Bunch of 12 millimeters it must be. Yep. Okay. I'm going to put these right back the way I found them. And now, okay. So you guys probably saw it fall out, but there's this real thick washer that was right there. So I'm gonna put that along with the bolt right here for now anyway. Well, actually, no, I can't do that yet. I gotta just set that aside. All right. Now I can take one out here. Okay, so now I'm going to put that there, and then I'll take the bolt with the thick washer and put that back here, and I know just how it goes back together then. Wonderful. One more part removed. Now I can see what I'm doing here a lot better, and I am going to have to get some WD. It's getting to where I can't really hold that. All right. Oh, that makes it so much easier. Oh, I should have done that right away. All right. Does that just, yeah, that comes out of there then. So then I'll take this and put it back on the old shaft and give it a couple spins, and that is another part gone. Okay. I'm interested to see how this brake works, because I don't know. What's it using for a disc? Or is it a drum? I don't know. We'll find out though. Should be interesting. Okay, so now I'm gonna move the camera around a little bit. So this stuff here, I'm gonna take apart now. Yeah, now you can see where I'm at. And then I'm going to switch to a 10. And again, this whole machine, it's 10 or 12 millimeter, and that's it. Other than the lug nuts so far. Yeah, we'll put those bolts back in. Huh. I wonder what does that do? Because this has got to be the brake, yeah. So what is this? I don't know, you got me. But anyway, let's see, I think I'm gonna need, sorry for being in front of the camera. Whatever it is, it needs to come off. So, for those of you who don't know, And I was today years old when I found this out. But this is a lockout hub. I can't believe what a cool machine this is. So that way is unlock, and then you've got to open diff. That way is locked, and you've got a locked, a regular, you know, like you'd find on everybody else's machine. Yeah, that's really cool. I do like this machine. All right. Let's see if we can't spread this just a smidgen. Oh boy, no, not really. How about some WD on that? Give it a tap. Woo! Hey now, don't you do that. And there we are. We got that out. Beautiful. It's in good shape. There's no damage. The splines couldn't really look any better. Looks great. So I'll slide the bolt back in there, and this bolt, for now anyway, I'm going to put that back in place. All right.